I have just one more slide that I want to cover briefly to summarize the differences between functionalism and structuralism. Structuralism was founded by Titchener. Functionalism was founded by James. Structuralists studied the elements of the mind. Functionalists studied the purpose of mental processes and behavior. Structuralism was promoted by a few in the late 1890s and early 1900s. Functionalism was promoted by many during this time. And finally, structuralism failed to impact modern psychology in any significant way other than promoting science as an important method in the field. Functionalism is the nest, remember that image, it's the nest in which modern psychology was hatched. All of our subfields developed from functionalism. Now that you know more about functionalism and Cattell and Thorndike, we can turn our attention to the development of mental testing and applied psychology next week in the Week 8 lecture. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next week.